Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on the Lever Finance, which I actually covered a couple of days ago because I already thought it had potential. Right now, what we're seeing is bullish momentum right here, as you can see, which was actually expected. Like, you could have seen this coming. I'll talk to you a little bit and I'll tell you why at least you could have seen this coming and how we saw it coming, because we actually entered in a long right here around 0.17 cents with the premium trading group, which I have a premium trading group in which I share my own trades like Lever, which we have already taken profits on. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, very valuable, I would say, and a trading guide. So if you want to catch rallies like these early, consider joining. But for now, let's get right into it. So I'll tell you why you could have expected this. And that's for two reasons. And the main reason is that DWF Labs was trading it. Here you can see not too long ago, they actually transacted Lever. And usually if they transact these cryptos, then you may assume, here you can see right here, then you can usually assume that it's going to go up. All right. Don't ask me why, but usually you can assume that. And apart from that, they also announced an investment yesterday or the day before in Lever, which will be locked up. But still, that does mean that usually you'll see some bullish momentum. So that's what we're seeing now. This could be the top, all right, because we know it has been manipulated. You can also see that, for example, right here, the open interest in the last week and the volume have been very, very high. So you could have seen it coming by that. Then we got some major bullish breakouts above 0.17 cents and then 0.19 cents. So the technicals and the fundamentals both were quite bullish. That's why we entered. Now the main question obviously is can Lever continue from here? All right, because on the daily time frame, Lever hit the 0.5 fib, which is a strong technical level. All right, it's coming from this entire move down, so that will probably be respected for now. But what also happened is that on the 4-hour time frame, we already did break above 0.2 cents. So now what's probably going to happen, or at least, yeah, it's very, very likely that that will happen, is that Lever will be testing this level right here around 0.2 cents / 0.19 cents. All right, because it's kind of the same level. It's basically the area between the 236 and the 382 fib, which are the strongest Fibonacci levels if the price is trending like this. So what will happen is that Lever will test those levels, and then if it's able to hold it, just like it held for the last couple of days here since Friday, if it's able to hold that, then what we'll see is at some point of time that 0.22 cents is going to break too, and that we'll see you move up to this level right here, this area around 0.25 cents. And at this moment, this is the most likely scenario. Like the open interest and the volume right now are still very bullish, are still technically going up. There's absolutely no technical bearish confirmation. So we have to assume that this will happen. All right. Also, given its history, like DWF Labs pumps are usually very, very strong. Right now, from this bottom, we've actually gone up about 85%, which is a lot. But rallies can go 200% sometimes, right? And Lever also has a history of pumps like that, like right here. So I would say it will continue for now. The only way that could be invalidated is, like I said, we will test that level between 0.19 and 0.2 cents. If for some reason we drop down below 0.2 cents and we'll just stay down here, and then we drop down below 0.19, then it is over. And that is a realistic scenario as well. So I will be prepared for that. Like I said, we already took a lot of profits with the premium group, so it doesn't matter that much regarding our trade. But I'll be prepared for both scenarios. Given the circumstances, I'd say it's more likely to continue being bullish. But if you're interested in that, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.